awesome TV. It's my remote. Classy, I know.
Hey, are you tired of cutting your grass good? Well, here's the new revolutionary non-grass cutter. It's efficient. And it's so easy to start. The best part is that it's unbreakable. I mean, look at this. Could you stop filming? I mean, for something that's so efficient, so easy to start up, and unbreakable, you can get this for $1,964,976.